Global information and communications company NTT will become the IndyCar Series title sponsor from 2019, replacing Verizon. Although Verizon's long-standing relationship with Team Penske has been extended as part of a multi-season agreement, its title sponsorship of IndyCar was a 5-year deal and came to an end in December. Dubai-based Emirates Airline and former kart sponsor FedEx were among the companies rumored to replace Verizon. But NTT Corporation, the Japanese parent company of NTT Data, which is the main sponsor of Ganassi's, it will also become the official technology partner of IndyCar, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, the Indianapolis 500 and NASCAR's Brickyard 400 at Indianapolis. NTT is aiming to enhance the fan experience by delivering digital innovations to evolve IndyCar's mobile app and by adopting NTT's proprietary smart platform to support the sport and its venues in delivering better insights into the racing series. Speaking at the launch of the partnership at Detroit's North American International Auto Show, NTT's president and CEO John Sawada said, "NTT is proud to be associated with IndyCar and accelerate the future of smart racing. Technological innovations have the potential to change the sport and fan experience drastically. Based on our lengthy and successful experience, including work in mobile applications, analytics and user experience, we will help IndyCar create the next generation of fans globally who aspire to enjoy racing through a more digital experience." Mark Miles, president and CEO of the Hullman NTT Data, began its relationship with Ganassi at the Indianapolis 500 in 2013 on Ryan Briscoe's. It became the primary sponsor of Ganassi's. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email.